And before we start to the leaving, we have two special children in school today that have been in school. They've loved it so much. Maen nhw wedi bod yn yr ysgol bob dydd. They've been in school every single day. A da iawn I Gwynfor and Geraint. It might be that they don't have much of a choice. A dyma chi am fod mor arbennig, anrhegion I chi am fod yn yr ysgol bob dydd. As long as they remember that they are allowed to have the 6 weeks off for the summer holidays, there's no need to come in. Da iawn. That leaves us with the children that won't be returning in September. Our year sixes are moving on, and I think they're all ready now for their next challenges and their next schools. A dyna ble ni'n gadael. Mae Elan, Saffron, Talyn a Geraint yn ein gadael ni. Dewch chi allan fan hyn. Saffron yn mynd I ysgol yn y Barry, because Saffron's going to a school in Barry for her comp, she's taking the other two with her. Saffron, Aidan a Cheryl yn gadael ni. Over to you now, Aidan, a bit. Well, all I can say is Barry's going to have. They're going to love it, aren't they, Aidan? Yeah. So I did ask the children earlier in the week to think of their memories, eich atgof chi o ysgol Gymraeg Llundain. And they said it's too hard to think of one memory. Mae gyda ni lot atgofion. A wedyn y rhaid I fod yn gadarn. That's when I had to put my foot down and say, no, only the nice memories, please. Felly, beth yw eich atgofion melys chi o'r ysgol, eich amser chi yn yr ysgol yma? Oes yma yn gyntaf? Geraint, am ti wedi bod yn yr ysgol fwy na pob un arall, beth yw fi'n gyntaf? Because Geraint's been here obviously every day, a lot longer than everyone else.
Before every school Christmas Day, we either had Domino's or
Good memories. Sausage and chips for staying the extra time and doing the Christmas show.
Nothing like bribery.
Nothing like a bit of food bribery. Pwy sy'n nesa? Talyn?
I remember doing work in a tent last year.
Oh, well, we did our big writing work in an actual tent. Very stuffy in there, but you loved that, didn't you?
Yeah.
Saffron?
When I went to Karen Granrock, I went into bog and I fell off and Miss Griffiths was laughing at me.
Thanks to Mr. Bowen, it's all captured on video. I'm going to just add there that she probably laughed at me earlier for falling, or she pushed me. And Ella?
I remember when we started in year 3, everyone told us to stomp around because it would make us look cool.
And Aidan?
Well, I don't remember much, but
so much to remember. When Aidan started in the nursery, Miss Liger said to him, "She's got answers." He's tried to get rid of them, but believe me, there are still answers. And di, Cariad?
I remember when I was in the nursery and Saffron was in another class and I went to Saffron. Saffron's teacher said I can come and teach with her.
Saffron, Seren got the brief of a nice memory. And da iawn chi, all going on to bigger, better places with new challenges. The Bowens are moving back. Well, I think have already moved back, fair to say. And looking forward to Barry, aren't you, Aidan? Has already joined the football team. Aidan has joined the dodgy football team. And Seren says she's enjoying Santa Patrick School. Yes. And Saffron is going to Bromogano.
She loves it.
It's a big school. Talon will be leaving us to join Pinner High, where we had the pleasure of meeting his head teacher last week. And Geraint, you'll be going to Ruxheath, where your brother currently is. Big school, overwhelming, isn't it, the amount of people, especially coming from a school like this. And Ellen, you are going to Hugh House, which I always say Hugh Green. And Ellen is so excited about the shoes she has to wear. So remember to ask her about them. But yeah, Diane. Of your ysgol. Beth yw comedian fi wneud yn Harry the Henna? Mae e'n licio cael cynulleidfa. He likes an audience, does Aidan? Bigger school, more pupils, oh dear me. Ond da iawn chi. And this is where we will say it's not a sad day because we've got Llanrhannog to look forward to. And I think everyone here will be in Llanrhannog with us next week. Yes. Joio. So, diolch yn fawr iawn.
Mae un peth arall, yn amlwg mae un person special arall sy'n ein gadw ni flwyddyn yma. Yw'n ni edrych arni, ni'n neud i ni crio. But there's obviously one other very special person that's leaving us this year. I'm not going to look at her because she'll make me cry. So the children have prepared something very, very quickly. We haven't had much time to prepare because she's always around. And we've tried to do it in secret, but we haven't quite managed it. I'm sure she's clocked on a few times. But I would like to invite the children up. We're just going to do a quick assembly, just to say thank you and hold vows. So everybody put this down. Just bear with us for 2 seconds while we recheck. Okay, so just want to pretend I'm Kenneth for a second. Bore da, croeso, good morning and welcome.
Rydym newydd farwelio ar plant a teuluoedd sy'n ein gadaelu eleni ac yn dymuno pob hwyl a llawenhad iddynt ar gyfer y dyfodol. It's a sad time for us, all as we must say goodbye to the children and families that are leaving us this year, and we wish them all the luck and joy for the future. Dewch nôl I gweld Cymru chi. Please come back and see us soon.
Ond wrth gwrs, mae yna un person arall sydd hefyd yn ein gadael ni ar ôl 4 mlynedd o hwyl ysbryd. But of course, there is one other person who is leaving us this year after 4 years of fun and games, the one and only
Miss Griffiths. Dechreuodd Miss Griffiths fel Miss Sullivan, Prif Athrawes, Ysgol Gymraeg Llundain, yn mis Medi 2012, cyn I rai o blant bach y meithrin hyd yn oed. Miss Griffiths, or Miss Sullivan as she was known then, began as the head teacher of Ysgol Gymraeg Llundain back in September 2012, before some meithrin children were even born.
So gadael ei amser yma gyda ni, mae gwaith caled wedi helpu'r ysgol I dyfu a llwyddo gan gynnwys nifer o newidion i'n ysgol fach ni. Enghraifft, throughout her time here, hard work has helped the school to grow and succeed, including many changes, for example. Sefydliad y meithrin as swyddogol o'r ysgol, the establishment of the meithrin as an official part of the school.
Cyflwyno systemau addysgiadol newydd ar draws yr ysgol gyfan megis, implementing new educational schemes of work and systems throughout the whole school.
We've all got a name, Big Max.
Ac wrth gwrs, pwy all yn cofio ei brwdfrydedd, llais gwefreiddiol a'i sgiliau arwain ystod ei nifer fawr o berfformiadau, gymherddau a gwasanaethau dros y blynyddoedd. And of course, who could forget her continual enthusiasm, harmonic singing voice, and conducting skills during our numerous performances, concerts, and assemblies over the years.
Dyma ddau o pob atgofion personol a diogellau Mrs Griffiths. Here are some of our favourite memories and thank yous to Mrs Griffiths. Diolch am gadael ni bwyta bwyd o gwledydd gwahanol. Diolch am gwneud pob gwestiwn hwyl. Diolch Miss Griffiths am fy helpu ni.
Dwi'n cofio pryd prynodd Mrs Griffiths siocled gwaith I dosbarth 2 yn Netherland.
Dwi'n cofio pan oedd Miss Griffiths wedi gweud I mi paid gweud gyd o byth eto. Yn dosbarth 2, diolch Mrs G am dysgu am y 2 blynydde yn dosbarth 2. Dwi'n cofio Mrs Griffiths yn myddoi yn y cwbwrdd ar ein ddydd Victoriana. Diolch.
Diolch yn helpu fi gyda fy atgofion am Q House.
Dwi'n cofio Mrs Griffiths yn rhoi anrhegion nadolig I ddoni. Dwi'n cofio Mrs Griffiths yn llosgi siwgr ac wneud y lle ar ofi o wîn. Dwi'n cofio Mrs Griffiths yn dweud ti gall cael bwyd I pawb ar amser cinio am bwyd bwyd ni.
Fel y clywed felly rydym wedi bod yn ffodus iawn i cael Mrs Griffiths fel ein pennaeth ac athrawes dosbarth 2 ac mi fydd hi'n hynod o ryfedd yma heddi. As you all have heard, we have been extremely fortunate to have Mrs Griffiths as our head teacher and class 2 teacher, and it certainly would be strange without her.
Mae pawb yn gwybod bod Miss Rawlings yn hoff iawn o'i elw. Everybody knows that Miss Rawlings likes to refer to her as
Miss Trunchbull.
Silly Sullivan, Gruffalo Griffiths. Neu ofni pan dosbarth 1 o dweud or scaring Mrs Class 1 children with references to
Ond heb os nag oni bai ein Mary Poppins bach ni ydy hi. But without a doubt, she truly is our very own Mary Poppins.
Yeah, Mrs Griffiths, practically perfect in every way, fel rydych chi'n hoffi honni. Yes, Mrs Griffiths, practically perfect in every way as you like to proclaim.
Felly, dyma chi. Casgliad o rai o'ch hoff ganeuon dros eich amser yma gan dechrau gyda. So, here you go. A little medley of your favourites and most notable songs during your time here, starting with...
goodbye and good luck. Mi fydd yna golled fawr ar eich ôl chi yma, ond rydym ni yn ddiolchgar iawn I chi am ein dysgu ni oll. We will miss you greatly, but are thankful for your things you have taught us all.
Mi fyddwn yn gweld eich jokes dyddio, ond mae cysur yn ôl yng Nghymru yn ela ohonynt cyn hir. We will especially miss your daily attempt at jokes, but we are sure many other children back in Wales will soon be fortunate enough to hear them.
Blank for this young, very lucky children.
Dewch nôl i'n gwenu cyn bo hir, Mrs G. Please come back and see us soon.
A peidiwch bod yn neidrus, cofiwch gwenu, gwenu, gwenu. And please don't be too sad, remember gwenu, gwenu, gwenu.
I must be oblivious, so I feel I must apologise to the Bowen family. I have not child abused your child the whole time she's been. Is that the reason you're moving back to Wales? Now, dear, Mrs. Rawlins said, "Oh, are you going to be sad?" I said, "Oh no, well, there's things to do. I've got children to do. You going to cry? No, but now she has. Put tears to my eyes, which was her only one mission to do. Ond da iawn chi, chi'n fod yn hwnna'n hyfryd. Mae e'n gwenu chi hefyd, a talu'r ma' jokes fi'n ffynnu. I will miss them all. Oh, diolch. Os portfolio bach gyda fi, o'n Meithrin.
Yeah, you're now ready to leave.
The Meithrin, I graduated in Meithrin. Oh, diolch yn fawr iawn.
Just a collection of some
Oh,
memories.
diolch. So, cwtio fi? A Steffan? So, I got things in my hands. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
So, party this afternoon, party now from Howard.
Party now, Trudy.
Hwyl a sbri.
Thank you very much. Ti wedi bod yn edrych ymlaen, wyt ti?
Jyst dweud gair bach yn gyflym iawn, dwi'n drwg oes bodolais ydyw. Diolch yn fawr iawn, Bartos, ond hwnna'n wych, a dwi'n siŵr Mrs Griffiths yn cofio dyddiau hapus iawn yn ysgol Gymraeg. A mae'n ysgol unigryw, but a very special school here, because it's full of very special children. Diolch yn fawr iawn i chi gyd. Ac ar ran y llywodraethwyr hefyd, diolch yn fawr. Diolch. Am yr holl da chi wedi gwneud. It's been wonderful working with Mrs Griffiths. There's a great deal of teamwork and very responsive always to suggestions. So diolch yn fawr i'r colled ar y holl chi. But we're handing over to another very capable person here. Gawn ni ddeud i pip o'r Mrs Griffiths, ie? gwaith, ie. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.